Calling all Gabby's Dollhouse fans, right here in front of me, I have Kitty Narwhal's Carnival room. Now, there is a little test feature where you can already start to move some of the set. And back here, there's 6 pieces included and a mystery surprise that you know comes with every room we buy. And it actually makes the little character here swim, and it's holding many things. And a real working ring toss game. Now, this one you can add to the Gabby's Purrfect dollhouse and her cat friendship. And so you'll see whenever I do those that we can just clip it in. So let's get our friend Kitty Narwhal out of this box. Now that we have all the pieces, let's just go ahead and build our room. You just lay these two on top of each other like this, and when you hear that snap, that means the board is secure. Now you attach the floor. So little pieces right there. And that snap means that our room is complete. Now this looks like a little cotton candy and candy apple treat bar. As we spin it, there you go. And you can also change it to lollipops and pretzels and some popcorn. So you can change what this is selling as you go. This little kitty octopus will be holding whatever was sold previous. Like, let's say we're selling these. Well, it has a popsicle. Here it has a balloon, some popcorn, and a pretzel. So I'm going to keep it on the cotton candy and the candy apples. Let's go ahead and start furnishing our room. This will go right here. We have our 2 rings here. Let's, jumped a little bit. There you go. And I already got one on. And that's how you play the mini game. Now we got our little prize here, which is a cute little stuffed cat. Let's just slip him in here. We have Kitty Narwhal, which we'll just put right here. And, of course, our surprise. You open it right up. Here's a QR that goes ahead and leads to the app, and it'll give you some more games. This down, set it right here. And a candy apple to go directly on to the selling stand. And there you go. That is Kitty Narwhal's Carnival.